Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of generative AI and ChatGPT, what they are, how they differ, and most importantly, how developers like us can use them in ASP.NET projects. Artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science that helps machines learn from experience and make intelligent decisions. Generative AI is one of its most creative branches. Generative AI doesn't just understand data, it creates new data. It can write an article, design an image, generate an SQL query, or even compose a tune, all from what it has learned. The process starts with training, feeding massive datasets into a neural network. The AI identifies patterns, then uses those patterns to create new human like outputs. Generative AI comes in many forms. ChatGPT for text, DAL.E for images, Capilot for code, all built on the same principle, learning patterns to create. ChatGPT is one of the most popular examples of generative AI. It understands context, writes essays, solves code problems, and even assists in ASP.NET development. ChatGPT acts like a human teammate who understands both natural language and programming logic. It can generate C#, SQL, or JavaScript instantly based on your question. Generative AI is the umbrella. ChatGPT is one specific, powerful product under it. Generative AI powers creativity across media. ChatGPT focuses on conversation and text understanding. Generative AI helps organizations create marketing content, software documentation, or product designs automatically, saving hours of manual work. ChatGPT's biggest advantage is usability. You don't need AI expertise, just ask a question. It explains errors, writes code, or clarifies technical concepts instantly. As ASP.NET developers, we can use ChatGPT to build code faster, fix bugs, and even generate sample APIs or stored procedures. With one prompt, ChatGPT can generate a complete MVC controller, models, and views, saving huge development time. In advanced scenarios, generative AI helps with unit testing, code suggestions, and even creating front-end layouts from simple text instructions. The next phase of generative AI will include intelligent agents that can code, talk, and visualize together, all within ethical boundaries. To sum up, generative AI is the creative engine, and ChatGPT is one of its most powerful tools. As ASP.NET developers, combining both helps us code faster, think clearer, and stay ahead in this AI driven era. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more tutorials that combine ASP.NET, SQL, and the latest AI innovations. Now, let us move from concept to practice. In this section, I will show you how ChatGPT can assist in real ASP.NET Core development, from generating code to debugging and documentation. When you give this simple prompt, ChatGPT instantly generates a complete C# model class ready to use in your project. No need to type each property manually. It saves time and reduces typos. Next, ChatGPT can generate a full controller with the actions for create, read, update, and delete. This gives you a ready to run structure that you can customize for your database context. ChatGPT can even create a neat bootstrap table layout for your employee list view. This code is production ready, clean, responsive, and easy to modify. ChatGPT doesn't just generate code, it helps debug errors too. When you paste your error message, it explains the cause and suggests the exact fix. It acts like a virtual mentor, helping you understand why the error occurs. ChatGPT quickly writes optimized SQL queries, a huge time saver for developers. You can directly use this in your SQL Server or Entity Framework link query. ChatGPT can also generate professional documentation describing your project's purpose, setup steps, and usage instructions. It is perfect for GitHub projects or internal documentation. ChatGPT instantly builds a web API structure you can plug into your front end React, Angular, or Movie. This is the real power of combining ChatGPT with the ASP.NET Core, faster API development with clean, consistent code. With the ChatGPT, you become more productive. It handles repetitive code, documentation, and suggestions, so you can focus on logic and design. The future will blend generative AI directly inside Visual Studio. Imagine an assistant that can understand your project, write code, and test automatically. Generative AI opens doors to creativity. ChatGPT brings that power right to your fingertips. Together, they redefine how we develop, debug, and deploy ASP.NET applications. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT help us code faster, debug smarter, and keep learning continuously. A real companion for every ASP.NET developer. Thanks for watching this complete session on generative AI and ChatGPT. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy for more real world developer tutorials.